tell you a story about what one dance can do. What one dance can do. One dance can do. One dance can do.
Yeah, when I get to a cook a beer nice in our background. This is the original White House bananas. Yeah, we're gonna do some kidney, some flour and some bananas. So these are the seasonings. I need to get me another maybe a chicken or another all-purpose, but this is it. I'm gonna show you the finished product when I'm done or when it's set onto the stove. So stay tuned though. Outside with Gangster Ross. Yeah, good old kidney. Early morning breakfast. Rubbing some roll-ups. That was the chicken, the baggy chicken, right? Right. All purpiness.
After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more.
See what this look like. Real old White House banana.
Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice.
Good old kidney.
So nice, but her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear.
See that piece I have in a big, you know, enough but it though. Look how we deal with them. Wash out the planting. So easy to open when it's in your plate though.
The things I say.
Seriously.
We watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, you're standing.
A little catch.
You're standing in my way. Standing in my way.
I don't know what it is that I got. Some people can't cook banana, they make White House. Not everybody know about this White House thing. I've never eaten any. This is my first time.
Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice.
White House, white building. I ain't in this, you know. I'm gonna check me back when you're ready, don't.
But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say.
So you know, White House. But not full of nothing still, but better than something. Finished product. Good old breakfast. You know what I'm talking? We outside too early.
Right.
Now we watches from the corner of his eyes.